User ID in a feature in a Palo Alto that maps IP address with the user and enforce the policy on the basis of user and group's identity rather than the IP address. How it is working? If any user try login in his window machine with his credential, that login events generated and stored in the Active Directory, and user agent is already configured on the Palo Alto. They have just monitored that event logs which is stored in the Active Directory. They have fetched the real-time IP address assigned that user, and on the basis of they have just checked if the user try to access the internet, they check the policy if they have right allowing the security policy to access the internet. So they check, and if they allow, then he is able to access the internet. Okay, what are the benefits of using user IDs? So first is visibility and reportings. If any user, if any incident happen in your networks or in your company, you can check and track very easily. So we who access that time, who is the user, what changes made by him. Okay, so you can trace very easily, and troubleshooting and managing is very also very easy. Second one is general level access controls. So if user has belong to finance departments and they try to access the payroll portals, so he is if the security police allow for the uh, finance department, then he can access that portal. But other users try which is not belonging that finance department, they try to access the payroll portals, so he is denied, firewall deny and drop his request. So on the basis of department, very general access control you can manage by using the user ID.